Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some of the best ways to find really great wallet addresses to either track or copy trade when you're trading meme coins. You can go into videos just like this one of different Web3 and meme coin traders. Usually they put a load of their wallet addresses in the bottom. So what you can do is copy every single one of these wallet addresses and then go to a site called GMGN.AI where you can either copy trade all these wallet addresses or track them. What I like to do with GMGN.AI is just track these wallet addresses, because when you track the wallet addresses, you can then have a following section right here. You can keep this section open and you can see when these whales are buying into massive meme coins. So if you follow a load of these different wallet addresses that are actively investing into meme coins, and you've got a ton of the wallet addresses in this section right here, then once you've got enough of them, if you see a load of them buying into the same meme coin, it's a good indicator if you see many of these wallet addresses that are whales investing into one meme coin. So how do we track all these wallet addresses? Let's first go and grab one of the wallet addresses from the description, go over to GMGN.AI and just paste it in the top and then click follow. So once you found these meme coins from people who are YouTubers or some sort of influencers, go and analyze their wallet addresses. Once you've got one of the wallet addresses from one of these influencers, one way to actually find more great wallet addresses is look at the coins that they've been buying into and find a high performer. So this one right here, they were profitable on Dogefather. So what we'll do is we'll copy this, and instead of looking for the top holders, we're going to look for the top traders, and we're going to find similar wallet addresses to this one. And the whole tactic is to get as many of these whale wallet addresses as possible and to follow them. And once you get following them, you'll see in this left section of your screen right here, or you click the following tab when you're on different sections of GMGN.AI. But what will actually happen is you'll see every time they're buying into it. Now, if you get as many wallet addresses as possible, this is a great indicator to actually figure out what these next best meme coins are, or when you can see these meme coins are going to be pumping. So in order to find the best ones, come down to this section where it says traders right here, and then click the profit and loss. Just click it so that the profit and loss is the highest amount at the top. So once we're at this section right here, we go down and scroll through all these wallet addresses and find the ones who have a high 7-day win rate. A high 7-day win rate, in my opinion, is anything over 50%. So this wallet address right here is great. What we'll do is copy it, open a new window in GMGN. We can quickly go on to see what the 30-day win rate is. So you can see the last 7-day win rate was 64%. The last 30-day was 64%. So that's a great wallet address to follow. So we'll follow that one. And we keep on building this up so that we've got a massive list of different wallet addresses that will give us an idea. And when you're trading, this just allows you to always look at the following section and see these new coins. When you're on this section as well, always stay away from wallet addresses that have this red fish icon next to it, or a red suspected insider icon next to it, like this one. Build up that following list by doing this strategy over and over again, finding these influencer wallets, seeing what coins they're buying into, and then going to see the top traders and finding the ones with a high 7-day win rate that is over 50%. Now, once you've done that, you'll see every time that people are going to buy into a new coin. So what we're going to do is just further show you how to find and see if any coin is a rug pull or not. So for example, you see this coin right here. Let's say as soon as you see it, you want to keep this window open and be looking at the recent activity. So as soon as you see one pop up, let's say for example, this crypto coin just popped up, what you do is copy the wallet address and go over to a new section in GMGN. Now open up the wallet and let's first scour through with the tools on GMGN, because you can usually see if it's a rug pull. So usually you'll see this audit section at the top right and this rug pull section right here. Sometimes it can say unknown, which is where we'll do our other checks in a minute. But let's first click at the audit. Now, if it's got anything higher than top 10, then just be wary of the token. But if it passes all the audits, that's a great indicator to say there's not a rug pull at the start. So what we then do is we take the wallet address of the coin and come to this website right here. Now come to rugchecker.com. You'll find a link in the description below, and then just paste the wallet address in and click rug check. And if it comes up with these high risk factors, so one of the high risk factors is 6 top holders of less than 1 solid balance, analyze the token safety and see if it's worth investing into. It's got a great safety score, but it is 75. But this is usually great, but you want to be looking for the ones that are like 100. So if this comes back with a great safety score and you can trust it properly, then it's a great indicator to probably buy in if you're seeing a load of people buy in at the same time. Obviously, do your own due diligence. Always look at buying into the dips. Always look at the sell volume as well. If you see a higher sell volume than the buy volume and you're not seeing a great deal of buy volume at all, it's probably not worth jumping into it. That's the key. Finding as many wallet addresses as possible, following them all, and just keep on analyzing this following tab and look for the latest ones. So these ones that are 34 minutes ago are no good. You just need to keep your eyes on this following tab. As soon as a new one pops up, go ahead and double check if it's a rug pull or not and see if it's worth investing into. But this is probably one of the greatest guides, especially if you don't understand what makes a meme coin pump. But the key here is to follow as many wallet addresses as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and check out GMGN.AI in the link below, as it's one of the best tools that you can use, especially for newbies, to be able to get into meme coin trading. Thank you for watching. Leave a like on this video if you want more meme coin trading and trading related videos, and subscribe for more content.